Fed hold odds hit 2 chances in 3, the dollar hands back last week's rebound, and the yen just showed the reason isn't Japan. The paradox of the session. Japan's GDP missed. The yen rose anyway. And 2 more currencies moved on that same clock. Fed hike bets fade. Fed holds, 2 and 3. The dollar index fell for a second straight session, a third session of losses against the Canadian dollar. July retail sales fell 0.6% against a 0.1% forecast. That miss is still repricing every major pair. Majors and gold rally. Euro-dollar, 1.1575. The euro strengthened above 1.1550. The pound hit a 3-month high above mid-1.3500s. Gold returned to $4,395, the ceiling it lost on Friday. FOMC minutes take center stage this week. One market isn't following the dollar at all. Oil holds its bid. WTI crude, $81.60. Talks to reopen the Strait of Hormuz have completely deadlocked. Israel resumes strikes on Lebanon. The U.S. prepares new Iran sanctions. And firmer crude has a favorite currency. The loonie leads on crude. Canadian dollar CPI month-over-month, 0.4% forecast. The Canadian dollar is today's strongest major. A softer dollar plus firmer crude, the petro-currency link. CPI is forecasted 0.4% month-over-month after a 0.4% fall. Meanwhile, Asia handed us the day's real lesson. Yen defies the GDP miss. Japan Q2 GDP 0.3%. Japan's Q2 GDP grew 0.3% against a 0.5% forecast. The miss complicates the Bank of Japan's hike timeline. The yen gained anyway, dollar-yen lower for a second session. The Aussie rose too, on a hawkish Reserve Bank of Australia stance. Both moves were priced in Washington, not at home. What our gauges read: market readiness score, 66. The Forex strength index reads, 67. Greed. The market readiness score climbs to 66 from 59, its highest in over a week. The carry trade score stays high at 80. One idea to carry into the session: when U.S. policy repricing sets the direction, local data stops moving your pairs. The full breakdown, with every figure checked, is on the blog. Read the full breakdown.